What's up, guys? Welcome back to this episode of my video. Today I want to show you Hamster Kombat daily cipher Morse code. Alright, so as usual, if I say dot, then you tap on it once, and if I say dash, then you long press on it once. Alright, so you need to go and tap on your end per tap 3 times. Here you tap on it 3 times. Then this is going to display where I'm going to enter the Morse code. Today's Morse code is called token. Alright, so for T, you're going to press dash. Then for O, 3 dash, 1, 2, 3. For K, 1 dash, 1 dot, and 1 dash again. For E, 1 dot. For N, 1 dash, 1 dot. And the code is cracked. You are a real detective. Then click on take the prize. So this is basically today's daily cipher Morse code. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our video, and turn on our notification to be the first to get our updates. See you in my next video.